My name is Chaley O'Brien. I work here at Juvly Aesthetics and I'm one of the master providers here. So a lip flip is where we use a wrinkle relaxer to relax that top lip a little bit more to reveal a bigger top lip without having to use any filler. There is no downtime associated with the lip flip. It's two little pokes that we put on either side of the lip, and once that procedure is over, you are free to go about your day. So with Botox, you're looking at about 4 units to do a lip flip. With Dysport, you're looking at about 12 units. A lip flip lasts about 3 to 4 months, depending on which product you choose. With Botox, you're looking at about 3 months. Dysport, you're looking at about 3 to 4 months. I would choose a lip flip over a lip filler if you're not sure that you want a true plump upper lip. If you want just more of an introduction to lip fillers, you want a little bit more of that top lip showing without going full-fledged into a lip filler, I would start with a lip flip. We can do lip fillers after a lip flip.